Hi everyone, this is Bob with another audio tutorial. In this video, we're going to create a stereo guitar track. So let's get started. I'm working in Logic on an original song called Desperately. I hope to get this released in a few weeks. In the meantime, I want to share a guitar track I did with a Gibson ES-175. I love the sound of this guitar, but it just wasn't big enough in the mix. So I recorded the track a second time, but I used a Stratocaster played through the same amp with all of the same settings, playing the chords and arpeggios the same as I did in the first take. In other words, I attempted to duplicate the performance. In the mix, I panned the two guitar tracks hard left and right for a wide stereo impact. The amp I used is a Fender Deluxe Reverb, and it's mic'd with an SM57. So let's take a listen to the ES-175. I love that tone. All right, here's the Stratocaster. Now let's put the two guitars together. Now with those two together, you get some natural chorusing effect. Now let's pan them hard left and right. That creates a nice big stereo spread. Now, how about in the mix? Very nice. Now, this is just one of the many ways you can create a big and wide guitar sound. You can also just use the same guitar and EQ the tracks differently to create a different tone. Another common technique is to put a capo on the second track and then transpose the chords, or play open chords on one take and then bar chords or power chords on the second. Now, if you only have one mono source available for your mix, I created a video recently titled Creating a Stereo Mix from a Mono Source. I show how to do this using plugins. I'll put a link in the description. All right, guys, get busy being creative with this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.